Azure networking isn't just about creating virtual networks. It's about connecting everything together securely and reliably. In this video, we focus on one of the most critical domains of the designing and implementing Microsoft Azure networking solutions, AZ-700 exam connectivity services. This session is specifically designed for candidates preparing for the Azure Network Engineer Associate certification who want to strengthen their expertise in hybrid and global connectivity design. We'll break down scenario-based practice questions that test real-world connectivity decisions. In our previous video, we covered core networking infrastructure, including VNet design, NSGs, application gateway, and routing fundamentals. If you haven't watched it yet, make sure to check it out first. Now let's start with our first scenario. Question 1. A company needs to connect its on-premises data center to Azure quickly with minimal cost. The solution must use the public internet. Which solution should be implemented? A. ExpressRoute. B. Site-to-Site VPN. C. VNet peering. D. Azure Bastion. Pause and think. The correct answer is B. Site-to-Site VPN. It uses IPsec tunnels over the public internet and is highly cost-effective for small to medium workloads compared to ExpressRoute. Question 2. A multinational company requires private connectivity to Azure across multiple regions globally. They need Microsoft 365 connectivity as well. Which ExpressRoute SKU should be selected? A. Local. B. Standard. C. Premium. D. Basic. Think carefully. The correct answer is C. ExpressRoute Premium. This SKU supports global connectivity, cross-region support, and Microsoft 365 connectivity with higher route limits. Question 3. An enterprise needs centralized connectivity management across multiple branch offices and Azure regions. Which solution simplifies this architecture? A. Multiple VPN gateways. B. Azure Virtual WAN. C. Individual ExpressRoute circuits. D. Azure Load Balancer. The correct answer is B. Azure Virtual WAN. It provides centralized management and integrates VPN and ExpressRoute for branch to Azure and branch-to-branch connectivity. Question 4. You deploy a network virtual appliance in Azure. You want dynamic routing between the NVA and Azure VNet without manually maintaining route tables. What should you configure? A. UDR. B. Route Server. C. NSG. D. ExpressRoute Gateway. The correct answer is B. Azure Route Server. It enables dynamic BGP routing and simplifies NVA integration, reducing operational overhead, a key principle in the AZ-700 exam. By the way, if you're practicing with structured questions regularly, using scenario-based platforms like prepbolt.com can significantly sharpen your architecture decision speed. Question 5. A company has multiple ExpressRoute circuits in different regions. They need to allow communication between connected on-premises sites via Microsoft's backbone. Which feature should they enable? A. VNet peering. B. Global reach. C. VWAN basic. D. S2S VPN. Pause and think. The correct answer is B. ExpressRoute Global Reach. It connects on-premises sites using the Microsoft backbone for global transit connectivity. Question 6. Security policy requires all internet-bound traffic from Azure workloads to pass through the on-premises firewall over ExpressRoute. What must be configured? A. NAT gateway. B. Forced tunneling. C. Local SKU. D. NSG rules. The correct answer is B. Forced tunneling with custom route advertisement. This overrides default internet routes to send traffic back to your on-premises firewall for inspection. Question 7. An enterprise uses Azure Virtual WAN. They require centralized security inspection of all branch and VNet traffic using Azure Firewall. Which configuration should they use? A. Standard hub. B. Secure hub. C. Individual NSGs. D. Route server. The correct answer is B. Secure Virtual WAN hub. It integrates Azure Firewall to centralize inspection and simplify global security across branches and VNets. Question 8. A company wants to limit which prefixes are advertised to Azure via ExpressRoute to avoid route table bloat. Which feature should be used? A. UDR. B. Route filters. C. Route server. D. NSG. The correct answer is B. Route filters. They control Microsoft peering route advertisements, improving routing security and scalability by limiting advertised prefixes. Today, we focused on connectivity services for the AZ-700 exam. These concepts are critical for anyone preparing to clear the exam with confidence and master real-world Azure networking. In the next video, we'll cover monitoring, security, and optimization. Stay consistent, keep practicing, and subscribe so you don't miss out. I'll see you in the next session.